Could Russia find a new route to India that avoids the Strait of Hormuz? Russia is exploring the possibility of creating a railway route to the Indian Ocean with access to India among the options being considered. Russian Deputy Prime Minister Marat Khusnulin said in an interview with TASS that such a rail link could help reduce risks linked to both the Strait of Hormuz and the Bosphorus. Rail route to India. Khusnulin suggested that possible routes could pass through Turkmenistan, Iran, Afghanistan and Pakistan. He said that any options providing access to India are acceptable. The proposal comes amid the ongoing conflict between the United States and Iran, which has raised concerns about shipping through the Strait of Hormuz. The strait connects the Persian Gulf with the Gulf of Oman, while the Bosphorus connects the Black Sea with the Sea of Marmara. Turkey, which controls the Bosphorus, has said the strait remains open despite heightened concerns. According to TASS, roughly 25% of global oil trade and about 20% of LNG shipments pass through the Strait of Hormuz, highlighting its importance to global energy supplies. India-Russia rail cooperation. The proposal comes as India and Russia are also expanding cooperation in the railway sector. On August 7, the two countries reviewed cooperation during the 12th session of the India-Russia Working Group on Modernization and Industrial Cooperation in New Delhi. The discussions covered modernization, mining, fertilizers, and railway transport. Both sides welcomed new areas of railway cooperation, including railway infrastructure, the Vande Bharat train project, and signaling equipment. They also discussed cooperation in unmanned aerial systems, 3D printing, Russia's SG-100 regional aircraft, and aero engines. Russia's existing rail network. Russia already operates an extensive international passenger rail network. According to the Federal Passenger Company, Russia's national passenger rail carrier operates 40 international long-distance routes connecting the country with 19 nations across Europe and Asia. The proposed route to the Indian Ocean, however, remains an option being explored, not an announced railway project to India.